StormSearch is the SNU Library's discovery service that integrates our books, videos, databases, and journals all into one location. It is a great first stop for any research project. Your search will begin at the library's homepage at library.snu.edu. When we scroll down from the library's website, we see this search bar. This is our StormSearch search bar. To begin, type your term into the box. I'm going to search for social media. Here we have over 100,000 results. One way to narrow this down is to use quotations around any phrases that you would like grouped together. Now we have about 35,000 results. You can also use the Boolean operators and, or, and not in all caps to include or exclude certain terms. So for example, this search searches for resources that mention social media, but do not mention the word Facebook. And it gives us around 31,000 results. There are also several filters on the left-hand column to help you reach a more relevant result list. Under format, for example, you can filter by format types such as print books and articles. When you search for print books, you'll see the location listed below the title. For example, this book, Social Media, Like It or Leave It, we can see that it is available at the SNU Library, and it's located on the second floor in the library curriculum section. The call number is 302.2 ROW 2015. For this search, I want to search for just articles. So I'm going to go back over to the left-hand column, deselect print book, and select articles. I also want to scroll down and choose full text so that I can get these articles immediately. I also want to scroll down and choose peer-reviewed to make sure that all of my articles are scholarly and peer-reviewed. If I scroll down once more, I can also select materials from the last 5, 10, 25 years, or I can type in a custom year range. I'm just going to choose articles from the last 10 years. Now that I've narrowed my search, I can look through the list to see which articles will be useful. Without opening the item, I can see the title, I can see the author, and the year it was published. If we have the full text online, there will also be a link to view the content. To see more about the item, click on the item title. Here you can see the publisher, content, and subjects. To open the article itself, click View Full Text over here on the right-hand side. Now, if you are off campus, you will need to type in your SNU credentials. But right now, I am on campus, so I do not need to do that. From there, you'll be directed to the article as it appears on the database. Here, it brought me to EBSCOhost. Here's my article, A Social Media Manifesto. And here is the full PDF text that I can access. And that is how you find materials using StormSearch. For more information on searching using StormSearch, please contact or visit the SNU Library.